This video will show you how to care for and maintain your Silverline windows. When cleaning your glass, use an over-the-counter liquid glass cleaner. You can also use a mixture of water and either ammonia or a mild detergent. Apply the solution and use a soft cloth to clean the glass surface. Avoid cleaning glass in direct sunlight and never use abrasive materials, cleansers, or razors. Inspect your window's weather strip, looking for cracks, tears, or a crushed appearance. All of these can affect the performance and efficiency of the window. Make sure your window's hardware is functioning properly. Casement and awning window handles, covers, hinges, operators, and gears can be cleaned with a soft cloth, removing any debris. Then, lightly spray all moving parts with dry silicone. Use of oil-based lubricants or abrasive cleaners, cloths, and brushes may cause damage to the product. Gliding window sill tracks can be cleaned with a soft cloth, removing any debris. A clean cloth can be used to wipe away any debris from the window sill. You can also inspect any exterior weep holes to make sure they are clear of debris.